All right, folks. All right, bearing race. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Those of you over here, there's part number. Okay, folks, we're back here, and what happened to our umbrella pad? Here it is, right here. We're just gonna clean this up real quick. Make sure there's no more rust on it. A little bit on here. I live in Arizona, everything rusts here, and this is a crank, so I'm sure it's rusting a little bit. I'm keeping oil on it, so it should be good. But running around the threads a little bit. What was that? Saw a little bit of rust there, so I'm going to get that a little bit better. All right, looks pretty good. Where's our air at? All right, looking good, looking good. All right, feels good. Actually, fill this one. Yeah, that's good. Ring looks good there. All right, let's get some lube on here. Here's our new race, and this is what we're putting on. I think that's enough. A little bit on this side. Oh, toss this out a little bit. All right. Sticky goo stuff, right? All right, cool. Lots and lots of it on there. Let's just put this on there. Grab this guy here. Wipe this shit off. I don't need that all over. All right. All right. Feels like that's on there pretty good. Come on. Oh yeah, lefty. I'm telling you how many times I say that in my head even. It's just like it just doesn't comprehend. All right. So we got that bad boy on there. Now our goal is to press this right up against that bad boy, just like so. There we go. Now we got some. Oops. I get my washer on there to protect that thing, huh? Ooh. Just enough not to fit, isn't it? That should be enough. There we go. Oh, I don't know if I can get on the inner one though. We'll see. All right. Now let's see if we can get this little guy on here. I think so. I'm gonna tap it just a little bit more, I think. Ooh, that was bad, huh? Ah, that looks better. I think I gained a mil or so there. Just need a little bit more to grab on that little one here. That don't even need it right now. It's just going on there nice and smooth. I'm just able to hold it and push it on. Let's just hope it keeps going like that, huh? But she does look good. I'm gonna go get my other tool. Is it close by? I don't see it. Yeah, everything looks good there. And do remember, this was the $30 tool, not the $300 tool. Now I understand, you know, I had to deal with a couple of idiosyncrasies. You know, it just is what it is. At the end of the day, it's just a bolt pressed on a bearing race. So it's like there's not a whole lot of rocket science to it. But anyways, so let me get my feeler gauge. Be right back. Just in case I didn't know where it was. Okay, so we got to go a little bit further. And now I've got my thing to put in there. And you want to be careful with that too. I mean, I guess you could hook up to it and pull the race back off a little bit, but boy, what a pain in the butt. So just be careful. But she's going on super smooth. I see no problems here. I'm going to put my feeler gauge up in here one more time. In fact, if I put it on top, it'll probably just sit there for me. Oops, I knew that was going to fall if I got it unbalanced. So we won't do that anymore. We just got like about I'd say a mil, less than a mil. Was that half a turn? Right about there. It's feeling pretty good. I'm going to go quarter turn. Yeah, that's it right there. I don't want to go any more. Wow. There's just a slight little bit, but again, this tool ain't the best. So, it's the same all the way around. It feels really even, so that doesn't feel like a problem. Oh yeah, see? That's perfect. Oh, that was perfect fit, dude. Whoa, look at that. I can get it in on the top. I can get it on the sides. I can get it on, well, there's a bolt in my way right there. That's perfect. Don't fuck that thing up. Make sure. Yeah, it looks good. All right. Let's get this thing unloosened real fast. A little bit of force. Reverse it off of there. Splines look good. Don't see any problems with those. The end result looks pretty damn good. That looks really good. So yeah, my $30 tool worked pretty good. I'm happy with it. We're gonna go with it. It worked. All right, enough said. Next step, let's get the cover on. We'll get that gasket put on there.